Hi, today we're going to be opening this Lego Friends set. And how many Legos are there? There are 249 pieces. So now you see there are two bags, and then it comes with this Lego and stickers and the instructions.
And this was all the Vet Clinic Rescue Helicopter. So we're gonna put it together.
So first you're going to open bag number 1. It should have some ones on it. So
Obviously start with number 1.
yeah.
Not 2. You don't want to start with 2.
You can open both bags at the same time, but it's much easier if you do like one first and then open bag 2 second. And you gotta like get all the Legos out like carefully.
So they don't get all over the floor.
Yeah, so you don't lose any of them. Whoa.
There's even a bag within the bag.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make some room
And save number 2.
But first of all, you're going to take find the head, the legs, and the hair.
Are you gonna read the directions?
I will, but first you have to make your character.
Always do the character first. Is that the rule?
It's not really, but I like doing the character first.
Does that character have a name?
I think it does. I think her name's Olivia.
Maybe Olivia?
It's Mia.
Mia.
And then there's another girl in that set with blonde hair, and her name's Stephanie. Okay. And this should come with a bunny and a crab for the pet.
So in this one, we're starting out making the foundation with the tree on it. We'll get going on making this, and then after we get going into bag 2, we'll drop back and join. You can join us again and go from there.
Okay, so now out of bag 1, we finished these sets. We finished this.
That kind of looks like a dock.
Yeah. And that.
Heart
And
Island.
you should have some extra pieces left and some animals, and you still have your character. So now we're going to open up bag 2.
Dose. Bag dose.
You gotta be careful opening them.
There's more bags in the bag. 2 more bags in the bag.
Okay, so first you are going to get all the pieces to build your character. This time it's a little bit harder because all the pieces are in different bags, because I see her arms and body, and then her head's in a different bag.
This is mainly to build
A helicopter.
the helicopter. So
now we have to find all the legs and the head. No, actually we got the legs. And I see the head in here. So we're just
So far we built the little Heart Island, the dock, and now we're gonna make the helicopter out of bag number 2.
So now you should have the legs, and then the arms and the body and the hair.
So you're gonna build the character first, because that's your rule.
Yep.
We'll go from there.
Okay, let me.
So we will get going on
Okay, so I got this character done.
2 characters.
So now there's both of them.
We'll get going on the rest. And we'll back to see you in just a moment.